Hello, everyone. My name is Greg Sanchez, and my research proposal is on creatine supplementation on anaerobic performance in men. Creatine supplementation is a staple in the diets of most elite athletes and has been used to increase the amount of creatine phosphate stored in the muscle. Recently, a new supplement has been developed called creatine alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate is an intermediate in the Krebs cycle and thus enters the muscle cells more easily. By binding the creatine to the AKG molecule, more creatine can be transported directly to the targeted muscle cell. More creatine in the muscle means more phosphate is stored as creatine phosphate, which supports the continuation of the coupled reaction that puts phosphate back on adenosine diphosphate to sustain the adenosine triphosphate, ATP, required for muscle contraction. Studies have indicated that creatine supplementation has a large effect on high-intensity performances that are 30 seconds or less and can be sustained repeatedly, and on anaerobic power output. The purpose of this study was to evaluate if single dosage of creatine would improve sprint performance and leg power in a 40-yard dash, a 20-yard shuttle, and vertical jump test. My methods were 10 men ages 18 to 25 who were students of UTA that volunteered to participate in the study. They were split into two groups of 5 and asked to warm up with a light jog and were asked to have practice starts and accelerations for the 40-yard dash. For the 40-yard dash and the 20-yard shuttle, time was taken and was used as a baseline measurement of performance. After the two sprints, the third and last test was a vertical jump test. A force plate was used to assess the maximum height of the participants. After the jump, group 1 was given 20 grams of creatine powder in aloe vera juice, while the second group was given the same aloe vera juice with no creatine. After a 30-minute rest, the groups were asked to repeat the same test. A 2-sample t-test evaluated the difference between the two groups with significance level set at p less than 0.05. The results of the study indicate that a single dosage of creatine supplementation in men does improve performance in the 40-yard sprint and 20-yard shuttle and vertical jump when compared to the placebo. Thank you.